Alright, what's up guys? We got a little bit of snow over the night. Truck is pretty covered up, so we gotta clean that off. But we got 2 slips in the other day, which is 500 parts, so we should be able to start building the 500 up. We got the cylinder in, so that's what that is. So I gotta go pick it up, check for bore, because my dad did get a used cylinders. So we're gonna have to check bore, make sure it's good. If not, I'm gonna hit up LA Sleeve to do another job. Alright guys, so it's actually a bit later. I've been working for a little over an hour actually. I'm working on the cylinder. You can see it back there. I mounted up this pipe and oh my god, dude. My dad blued it. Just made it raw again. Blued it. It looks so, oh my god, dude. I can't even explain how good it looks. In person, it just looks so factory. It's just such a big pipe. Then I cleaned up the silencer, so she's looking mighty good. Alright guys, it's been a bit since I uploaded. Welcome back to the Forest Max YouTube channel. Nothing's really been going on with any of the bikes. Rewind a couple months ago, we got a cylinder for the 500 actually, but it was pretty bad, so we ended up selling it out. Shout out to LA Sleeve doing another fantastic job. And today, the CR500 will officially be done and ready to rip. So they did a bore with the 91 over. Oh, there's so much stuff right here. Stuff. They did a 91 over bore, and they did such a good job. I threw some 2-stroke oil, so if it looks pretty shiny, it's because it is. I threw on the exhaust flange piece, and then we got some Boysen factory reeds. We got a PC pipe that my dad blued up with the torch. Looks freaking great. Threw on some handguards, number plate, all that stuff you guys have seen. Cleaned it up. Smoke. There it is. Come on, come on. There we go. There's the click. Just gonna set that on top of there. Okay. I didn't even choke on. First kick. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. There's just been crazy 2 days, let me tell you. I finished the 500, put everything in, and we just had the first ride a few hours ago. I did 4, or actually I did 5, just to be safe, heat cycles on the bike. And now I had 1 ride in at about 3rd throttle, not going above. I got into it once, a little bit, and it's just, there's no controlling the bike. I need a sweater, it's getting pretty cold. But there's no control in this bike at all. I mean, there is, but you just need skill. I need to ride this thing for a few months just before I could even maybe feel comfortable. But let's start off the video by saying shout out to IMS Products for the tank, Acerbis and Polysport for the plastics. Just all these guys, Tusk, got some levers, decal works for the freaking amazing graphics. And last and not least, LA Sleeve, because they just hooked it up once again with another build for the channel. They did a full 9-to-1 over bore, so we're sitting at about 520 on CCs. I mean, I didn't complete that, but 520cc CR500 2-stroke, just what a gem. But we have a Wassner piston, and we have the pin. Pretty much everything on this bike's Wassner. Pretty solid brand. We got some Boysen covers. Freaking love them. They look so good. Let's see if we could just get this puppy started real quick. Ugh, compression is insane. I went by the school today to keep doing the last heat cycle and first ride, and let a few people try to start it, and they couldn't. Put the choke on for just real quick. 3, 4, 5. That was absolutely cold start too, guys. Wow. This thing runs like a dime, dude. The sound is so much less now that I have a helmet on. Alright, let's just try not to irritate the neighbors. I want to adjust this clutch. I was having some trouble because it lets out so far. I wouldn't mind having it go a bit left so I can feel more comfortable, just like the flip. Now let's let it get to operating temp, and then we'll give it maybe 1 or 2 passes. This thing has so much low-end grunt, it's insane. In my freaking goggles. That's kind of annoying. Giving it gas. Jesus, dude. This thing has so much power. We were probably doing, I would say, maybe 30. Maybe even 40. I don't even know. I want to adjust the throttle. I don't like how it engages immediately. It's so nimble. hard right now. I forgot to mention, this thing's already boarded too, so, oh, it's starting to rain. This thing's just gonna be so snappy. It shakes a good bit too, but not too much. Just a smidge there. I need like rubber dampening pads. Oh my, it's so bad. This thing runs super solid. It's so nimble. I was getting worried, I couldn't really see. This thing runs so good. Not even giving it any throttle, I spun. I 100% spun. I just tried to give it a little hit and see what it did. Yep. Oh my god! No way! You can see my tire tracks. They're right there. And then right here I just whopped it. Oh no, I killed it. But right there, I just whopped it. It just, oh my god. I let it die though. Oops, my bad. But good thing for me, I did the top ends, I hope pretty decent. Because it, you know, starts, so. Oh, almost, come on. Ow! Oh! Straight to the freaking shin. Oh, I hate that. There we go. This thing just spun, dude. It's so snappy. The response is incredible. I'm starting to get the feel for it for sure. It's feeling pretty good. This thing is so like easy to get used to, it feels like almost. Like I don't know about the power yet, but I can like, it's so comfortable. Like everywhere, like where I would normally happen to get in a berm, I could like throw it in right now. Just the seat positioning is so nice. I feel so centered. One more hit. We missed it second. This thing is so loud, I just don't want to upset any neighbors. Out there watching. Third here. Speed on this thing is. If I geared it the same as my 450, I think it could easily do 100 miles an hour. This thing is just so fun to ride. As much as it was. I'm running at 40-to-1 mix, so this must be running pretty clean then. That's good. It's really, really good. Cool. Well, see you guys in the next video. There's a lot of the 500 coming. Just letting y'all know. Yeah, thanks for watching.